Hi, my name is Rituraj Verma. I'm the founder of lowmargin.com, and this is a business model about building India's Alibaba using dead space in malls. Just a little bit about myself. I have about 25 years of experience. I have an MBA from the US. I've worked in retail, real estate, consulting, FMCG distribution, marketing, and consumer insights. I have been an entrepreneur in the past, and I currently also am running my own business, which is profitable. I also want to tell you that I have experience in designing and executing innovative business models in real estate. So that's the reason I'm doing this. Alibaba basically facilitates transactions between large Chinese factories, wholesalers, and buyers across the globe. India is one third the size of China, has poor infrastructure, smaller factories, small, unorganized wholesalers who cater to the indigenous demand of its largely rural population. However, a unique opportunity exists today which can catapult Indian wholesaler using highly undervalued assets in defunct malls combined with various emerging technologies to form technology enabled marketplaces. The history of retail in India is varied. The small shops became showrooms, showrooms became department stores, then came malls, and finally we saw the rise of online shopping and mobile shopping. All this evolution affected only 5 to 6% of the population, while 95% of the retail remained largely unorganized. If you look at the evolution of wholesale in India, well, that hasn't happened. So, what we want to do is take the small wholesalers and connect them to the web. And that's what lowmargin.com is about. Years ago, I used to be a small town retailer and I was constantly making long trips to wholesale markets in Mumbai where my life was constantly painful. No wholesaler would extend credit to me, and I was always making cash purchases and I had to carry the cash on my person, which was not very safe. I had to pay for merchandise of doubtful quality. I would have to visit many small wholesale markets, battling traffic congestion, counting my pennies while constantly battling weather, physical exhaustion, and I was often carrying merchandise in my hands, constantly looking for cheaper food and accommodation and ways to cut my expenses. I would come back to my hotel room tired and worry when my shipments would reach. And so I think that experience today, looking back, has taught me that I need to do something about it. And that's why lowmargin.com will provide the solutions. So the basic thing we want to do now is uh, try and solve as many of these pain areas by using technology. And I won't go into the details and in this presentation, but you can see that every pain area for retailer has a technological solution today, or an offline solution today. So a combination of online and offline solutions will essentially crack this problem. If you look at the wholesale side of the business, there's a lot of pain in the wholesale markets too. Infrastructure is poor, variety keeps increasing, competition is increasing, margins are declining, and it seems like as the economy evolves, wholesale is getting to be under pressure for collections. So our solution basically comes in at a point where there's a lot of technology changes happening in fintech with banks and payment gateways, and an improved logistics and commercial viability of wholesalers is improving. However, not many people are able to implement this, and therefore it's important for us to come up with a solution for all these problems, with a lot of attention to detail, and come up with something that will essentially solve these problems for good with the wholesalers. So this is what the lowmargin.com online features are. Essentially, you'll be able to do product photo shoots, cataloging, get on board with e-commerce giants, as well as set up your own lowmargin.com website. And there will be mutual rating systems, collection solution, a CRM for every wholesaler, and GPS tracking of shipments. On the offline features, we will have a dormitory. We'll be able to sell packaging, have QA processes, give railway reservation counters, bank ATMs, money transfers, and state-of-the-art material handling facilities. So the market size for this is approximately $600 billion. And the reason I'm so sure that I will succeed with others in those is because I've worked as a small retailer, as a developer, as a semi-wholesaler, and I have developed software before. I've already sold more than 300 shops in my current business to small unorganized retailers and wholesalers in the past 2 years. I know how to use technology to remove the pain in people's lives, and I can and I have always delivered in the past. So looking at the revenue streams, this is what the revenue streams look like. We'll be making money from the real estate part, from managing the mall, from onboarding fees, from CRM fees, from advertising revenues on the website, and the digital marketing fees. And just to go over the financial models, currently we need to raise about $1 million to develop the software, buy the capital goods, and get everything going for the momentum to be created to get these malls. There are some 200 malls in India that currently need this service, and I'm constantly asked by customers when we will be ready. So the value in the end of 5 years of this $1 million will be $28 million. And with that, I'd like to end this presentation. Thank you very much.